Hey all you Simonites, it's Simon Simaan, owner and broker of the Simon Simaan Group right here in beautiful Windermere, Florida. We couldn't have asked for a better day. It's absolutely amazing over here. And we're in Keene's Pointe, one of Central Florida's premier gated golf communities. I absolutely love this neighborhood, and we've sold so many homes to great families that enjoy it for many years to come. Right behind me is $1 million flip. Our client remodeled this home with beautiful level 5 finishes, and we're going to give you an in-person tour of what this great home has to offer. It has amazing curb appeal, as you can see. My client painted it, sealed the roof, did a beautiful landscaping refresh, and without further ado, let's take a look inside and see what $1 million flip entails. Come on, guys. Come on in to excellence. All right, guys, there's a reason why I wore my Albert Einstein socks today, because my clients, they were smart. They brought this house from 2006 to 2021 standards. What do I mean by that? Well, take a look, guys. Open floor concept, light and bright, typically everything a buyer is looking for. That awesome fireplace right there, look at that mantle. It has Carrara marble with 24 karat gold inlay, enough to make Bruno Mars jealous. 24 carats, you know what I'm talking about. This living room, awesome. It's cozy, gas fireplace overlooking the great manicured backyard and swimming pool area. And take a look at this, guys. Columns, no more, gone away. We're in 2021, right? Romans built the temples. Well, my client built this in less than 2 months. Took out all this stuff here. It's no longer Mediterranean. It's called transitional. Look at this great floor plan that they did. They blew out the old island, made this massive waterfall island from quartz countertops, stainless steel farmhouse sink, the nice pendant lighting. This is what's in right now. The gold, the black, the whites, the grays. This is what all the buyers love. This home went under contract over the weekend. We had 10 offers on it and is sold for above list price. And one thing I love about this floor plan is everything, all 3,600 square feet is on one level under air. That's absolutely awesome, and I'll tell you why. Because in Central Florida, when you buy a one-story home, typically it's going to be block construction. It's not going to be frame. What does that mean to you? Less maintenance. That home's going to last forever since it's solid block construction. And I absolutely love all the high ceilings, the crown molding, the attention to detail. If you do $1 million flip, make sure you use high-end materials, Viking appliances, restoration hardware light fixtures, quartz countertops, stainless steel galore. This is absolutely awesome. And take a look at these beautiful wood porcelain Italian tiles. This is the stuff that you want to do, because buyers in this price point, they're going to nitpick and look at all the little detail. The devil's in the details. Well, these are the details right here. And it's awesome family room. I love how open the space is. Blowing out the walls and columns, you really accentuate the floor plan and the functionality of it, because you can be cooking, watching TV, seeing the kids in the pool. This is like a Swiss Army knife of homes because it's multi-purpose. You can entertain, enjoy, have great parties, friends over. And what's awesome is the bedrooms are close by to each other. It's a split floor plan. So you have 3 bedrooms on this side of the house and the master on the other side. So if your kids are rowdy, this is a perfect home for you. All the bedrooms are spacious. They all have their own closets and bathrooms, which is super convenient. Let's take a look and see what this home has to offer. Come on, guys. Take a look at this elegant dining room and what it has to offer. You have a beautiful frameless glass wine cellar that can accommodate 54 bottles of wine, but if your heart really desires, you can definitely modify this for at least a couple hundred. Imagine hosting family and friends at this awesome dining room table, holiday events. This is definitely the place to do it in. And I mentioned the home has 4 bedrooms plus a study, which is really convenient. It's located by the entry and you have your own separate door going into your study. So if you want it to work, you can easily do that from this home. Let's take a look at the master suite. And what I really like is it's separate from the other house. So if you wanted your privacy, if you wanted to come here, have a coffee break and go out to the pool, it has its own entrance to that area. Let's take a look at the master bedroom and check out this serene, tranquil space that I absolutely love. We're in the master suite overlooking the swimming pool. One thing you'll notice is very peaceful, calming colors here. Imagine waking up every morning, opening up the plantation shutters. If you want to have a nice cup of coffee, you can go out to the pool area. You have a side door right here. Hop in the hot tub, and I saved the best for last. Wait till you see this master bathroom and everything it has to offer. I'm talking about frameless glass shower, garden tub, dual vanities, awesome fixtures. The level of detail is absolutely awesome. Without further ado, I wish they had curtains here so I can draw them back for you guys, but I closed this door. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Come on in to your spa-like master bathroom. They added this center island. You have a Calcutta quartz countertops, black fixtures. They actually had to level this concrete again. You have an awesome standalone tub right here. And what I love is the chevron pattern marble flooring. And they continued it in the niche as well over here. And look at this, guys. Look at that level of detail. All this beautiful marble work is done even around the circular window over here. This home has it all. And you can even relax here in your awesome garden tub overlooking the front yard and all this awesome landscaping that you have. Hope you guys enjoyed this awesome video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And before I take a bath, do me a favor, hit that notification button on top. I'll see you guys in the next video. Every home has a story. Let us tell yours.